Hello guys, Mehul here, back in with another new video. And as you guys know, I have been recently researching a lot about UX. Okay, so today I found a site which have three aspects to it. So it have all of those UX laws that I have been talking about all those days. Like I have been giving you resources where to get those laws. So it has all of it, like more than all of it. Okay. Then second is it has like really a lot of case studies from which you can learn from, and obviously those are case studies, you know what to do with it. And third, they provide a course that is not free, but the course is really great. Like those reviews are really great. Okay, so let us see what they are providing in this site today, and we will go through it together. Okay, so let's just jump into it. So today we're gonna talk about growth or design. And when you land on the page, this is a basic page that you can see. Okay, and you can like subscribe to their newsletters, get product tips, and comic book format that you love to read. Okay, so that's really great. Now, as I have said, these have three sections: case studies, psychology, and courses. So if we go to case studies, yeah, they have a lot of case studies in here, and watch a new free case study every month, so you can watch it, and it's totally in comic book format, and that's really great, that's really intuitive. Okay, now I am not going to like go through that. Rather than I will show you the others that they are having right here. And all of these are in like a storyboard, they are comic strip format. Okay, basically comic strip format. So we have most popular section, onboarding section, really retentions, revenue models, and others. In other section we don't have anything, whatever. But yeah, it's really intuitive to watch something like this. Okay, so let's see, let's suppose we wanna see. Okay, we have to unlock it. To unlock it, we have to sign into the platform. Okay, let's see the free ones today. Okay. Oh wait, I shouldn't have opened it in this. Yeah, let's open it in this format. And as you can see, you can simply like click with your there, and it started like this. Okay, this is how it goes, and it is you explains you everything. Whatever, go through it your own. Okay, I'm not going through it right now. Second thing, psychology section. Now what they have mentioned over here, they have 106 cognitive biases and principle that affect your UXs, and they are talking like really this in real terms, to be honest. Like it's really information rich. So in the information section you get a lot of like UX related to information or not. Now some of them are not yet explained, but yeah, you get most of them over here. And if you click on one of them, it will drop down this, and like you will be able to see, and you can see some of the examples over here as well, right? Like if I click on this, yeah, now yeah, I have to unlock everything with it, I don't know, whatever. So just sign into the platform, you will be able to unlock it easily, whatever. But they have those things. Okay, and those are just related to information. Now if we go to meaning, we have again a lot of subjects over here, like social food, scarcity, scarcity or scarcity, scarcity obviously, curiosity gap, mental models are great. Okay, all of those things. Then another thing is there, like wait, yeah, we have time. And in the end of every section they have this still quiz kind of section that you can take right away. Okay, to like check your knowledge. And we have time related, and that's basically it. And memory, yeah, memory related as well. And product psychology, wow, too many. Okay, yeah, that's basically it. That's basically wraps up all of those things. Okay, That's basically all of those things. And yeah, booked by Neil Isle, that is also a thing that they have provided here. And here you can see a testimonial of Neil Isle over here as well. Now the third thing, let's go to the third thing. Okay, so third thing is courses, right? And they have really great feedback on their courses, to be honest. And here you can see all of those modules, what you will get from those modules, what you will learn in the course. You can get all of that over here. And they have like explained everything over here: learn, practice, apply. You can go through it. And where is the testimonial? Yeah, here is a testimonial that you can see over here from Nira, right? And now, that's basically it for those sites. And obviously you can join the course waiting list for the course and have it, but it's not free. From where I know it, from here actually, like 30-day money back guarantee. I don't know why they didn't have mentioned the course price over here, but they should have. But still, it's okay, no problem. And that's basically it. That's basically all about this side growth or design. So two portions that are really gonna be useful for me, that is those case study section, because it's not your usual case study. That's first thing. You will love to read it. And second thing is this psychology section, from where you can like get all of those, like get to know about all of those cognitive biases and all. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. That's about this website. And that's it for this video actually, nothing else. If you like my channel in general, please do subscribe to the, like, if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about some of the really great website like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So that's it for this video. Bye for now.